Hello, brochachos. It's me, your boy Nick, and today I'm gonna make a baby chicken statue because yesterday I said that I wanna teach you how to make a baby chicken statue, so I'm gonna do it. So first, uh, this is how much you need. I didn't really count because I'm a lazy man. You don't need the orange wood. Let's ignore this. I grinded all of that wool just for nothing. Not even I'm not even gonna use it. So we need two. What is this called again? Yellow wool here, and two more over here. Then you'll make the legs. It's gonna be like 3 blocks going up. So 1, 2, 3. Then after that you'll get your white wool, and then do I think like four. So just 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue it. Yeah, just keep going. There you go. Then once you made it here, you're gonna make 2 blocks going to the back. So like this, yes. Then you just connect them. After that, you're gonna uh, expand the walls to like 3 blocks in total. I think. Yeah, 3 blocks in total. So just raise them bad boys. Okay, after you're done, you're going to fill in this bottom one because I forgot. I'm really not ready for this, guys. I'm sorry. And then you fill this one. Don't forget to put a torch here. Very important. You gotta put torches inside of your empty builds. Okay, once you're done with that, we're gonna make the head. So the head is basically like that one over there. Just do that. I'm pretty sure the head is like 4 blocks tall. I don't know actually. Yeah, it's something like this. Just copy what I'm doing. There you go. You can just leave this the middle hollow. Then I forgot. Oh yeah. So you just keep doing this. Then you'll put black wool for the eyes here like this. It looks like this, right? Then oh my god, I hate myself. Okay, so once it's like this, you can get your yellow wool, put it like this, bam, bam, bam. White wool again, fill this in, and then under the beak, red wool for the red part of the chicken. I don't know what is that called, just like that. So it's gonna look like this. All we need to do is just do the wings. It's really simple, really. Just do it like this. I'm really lazy, guys. I'm sorry. I'm gonna try to put more effort in the next video I'm gonna be making. So this is it. This is your baby chicken. It looks cute. I love it. And thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video. And goodbye.